We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi folks, it is time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and today I want to talk about this very, very popular sports here in Taiwan and all over the world, and especially here in Taiwan, people are talking about it daily because our very own Wang Jianming, as you know, is one of the pitchers of the New York Yankees. 所以今天呢，我们要来好好的再教一些跟棒球有关系的这些生字好了。先讲王建民 How would you say that in Hakka?
王建民
Okay, it's simply Wang Jianming. Okay, that's very easy. And he plays baseball. 棒球呢？
棒球
哎，好听哎，好像那种人家咚 home run 棒球
Yeah,
That's baseball.
棒球
This is a very funny language. I love it. It sounds exactly like playing baseball. Okay, in baseball, of course, people are waiting for a home run. 全垒打的话，
全壘打
全垒打 Okay, 全壘打 That's a home run. And since we're talking about Wang Jianming, he's a pitcher. We should teach people how to say pitcher. 就是他是投手。
投手
要投诉了吗？你要告谁吗？投诉 We actually learned this before. 手就是诉嘛，投诉 Okay, that's a pitcher. And of course, a pitcher is going to either pitch a strike or a ball. 有好球跟坏球，怎么说？
好球
好球 That's a strike.
快球
坏球 That's a ball. Okay, so that's 好球坏球 And we of course hope Wang Jianming could throw more 好球 More 好球 from Wang Jianming.
鼓手愛來佢加
And
油
finally, 對啊，加油這教過了嘛，對不對？哈，就
王建民加油
王建民加油 All right, so let's go ahead and review those terms again. 王建民
王建民
全壘打 a home run.
全壘打
全壘打a pitcher 投手
投手
and pitching a strike.
好球
好球 pitching a ball.
快球
坏球 And finally, 加油加油加油如果去加油站加油也是这样子说吗？一样
加油站加油
加油站加油 So if you know, by the way, when you cheer in Chinese, whether it's Hakka, Taiwanese, or Mandarin, it's actually the same word as pumping gas at the gas station. Anyways, that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家
俺只say 張來了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.